Welcome to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. In this video, we take a deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Motorhome, a futuristic blend of luxury, technology, and off-grid capability. This groundbreaking vehicle combines the engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz with the freedom of mobile living, offering a motorhome experience that pushes the boundaries of design and innovation. The exterior design of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Motorhome is unlike anything seen before. Inspired by the protective design of its namesake, the vehicle features a sleek, aerodynamic shape with armored panels that provide both style and durability. The front is dominated by a signature LED light bar and a bold Mercedes grille, while integrated solar panels along the roof and body make it an eco-conscious option for long-distance travel. With all-terrain tires, a retractable awning system, and a built-in leveling platform, this motorhome is built for both city streets and rugged landscapes. Under the hood, the Mercedes Armadillo Motorhome features a hybrid powertrain that combines an advanced electric battery system with a high-efficiency diesel generator. This configuration offers a range of over 800 miles, making it perfect for extended road trips and off-grid adventures. The all-wheel drive system ensures smooth handling across diverse terrains, while smart suspension technology adapts automatically to road conditions for optimal comfort. Regenerative braking and multiple drive modes add efficiency and control, whether you're on highways or trails. Step inside, and the Armadillo Motorhome reveals a luxurious interior designed to maximize comfort and utility. The cockpit includes dual digital displays with full connectivity, voice command, and autonomous driving features for enhanced safety and convenience. The living area features premium leather seating, an extendable lounge space, and convertible furniture that adjusts for day and night use. Ambient lighting, climate control, and noise-canceling insulation create a peaceful environment regardless of external conditions. The kitchen is outfitted with high-end appliances including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection oven, and deep sink with filtered water. Ample storage and modular counter space make meal prep easy and efficient. The bathroom is equipped with a rainfall shower, composting toilet, and eco-efficient plumbing, while the bedroom includes a queen-size memory foam mattress, built-in wardrobe, and panoramic smart windows with privacy glass. Advanced tech features include satellite internet, app-based control systems, remote diagnostics, and an AI-powered energy management suite that monitors battery levels, solar input, and power usage. The motorhome also includes emergency response features, night vision cameras, and 360-degree parking assistance. With its innovative design and attention to luxury, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Motorhome sets a new benchmark for premium travel on wheels. If you enjoyed this full review and want to see more unique vehicles and expert insights, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit the subscribe button. Your support helps us continue to bring in-depth automotive content right to your screen. This is Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned for more.